Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be in Reflections at Seabrook with, you guys know her, Cindy of Riverside Homes. And guess what, guys? This model, one of two that they have to show you, is outstanding, and it's a new floor plan.
Yes.
So thanks for having us, Cindy.
Thank you guys for coming out. Let's go take a look.
Great. I love this little entryway to like sit and meet your neighbors.
Yes, right? You've got a room for a bench or a chair.
So what's the square footage of this particular floor plan?
So this home is going to be just shy of 2,400 square feet, which is the maximum square footage here on the 40-foot lots.
And as we go through, one thing, because I did of course take a sneak peek, you're going to see how big it really feels though. So it's a great footprint on this lot size.
Absolutely. So, such a wide open, flowing main living area where you've got your family, your dining, your kitchen all united, and then kind of pouring out into your outdoor living space. So this home is going to be a great home for entertaining.
And this is an extended lanai. Let's go out there, Cindy, because this is absolutely beautiful.
Let's go take a look.
So you've got the collapsible doors that keep going. So this really is, like Cindy said, outdoor, indoor, entertaining space. And this is an option for your buyers.
It is. So what you're seeing out here is the extended lanai, and we've added a privacy wall with a fireplace on the there under the TV. And this is something that all of our customers will have the option to do when they're building with us.
I love this. I think everyone that buys this floor plan needs it. And Liberty floor plan?
This is the Liberty, that's right.
So the Liberty floor plan, and I want to remind people, you can see this floor plan going to Nocatee.com. Click on the neighborhood tab, scroll down to Reflections, and of course click on Riverside Homes, and this Liberty floor plan you will be able to see. And look at this as we come in, just tons and tons of space, entertaining space. I love how you laid it out too, like you said, Cindy, the sitting area here, but then over here, look at this dining area.
This is a massive dining area. So many times I hear people that have family, extended family that like to come and they host the holidays in their homes, and they're always concerned about not having enough seating for everyone. And here we're showing a table setting with 6, but you can see in this amount of space, you
way
could
more.
Easily do 10 people at a table
You
here.
could, and just remember that, everyone. And also the space around it, there is plenty of room to add tables, add chairs. I mean, you could easily have 20 people in here very comfortably eating. We kind of figured it out earlier with the spacing. And then even how they did the chairs, the bar stool chairs, but they didn't do a back. So it really just opens up that space.
That's right.
And I love the kitchen.
Thank you. Yes. So this kitchen is actually our designer kitchen, and it's going to have a great combination of your microwave and oven wall unit over here to the right, and then your cooktop, of course. But what's great about this workspace, where you see you've got different stations where people can do, food prep or coffee station, things like that throughout the kitchen. So multiple people can be functioning here at once.
And you've got the deep drawers. And again, Reflections at Seabrook is a natural gas community. Beautiful, but the countertop space too. It's all, I like that you cleaned it off to just show people the scope of how big this island is, but just tons and tons of prep space, entertaining space, and the beautiful hardware, just the upgrades that you can do with this Liberty floor plan. And the natural light, Cindy, that's another thing I'm noticing throughout this.
So many windows, tons and tons of natural light here. Some of these are going to be optional windows, which you can choose if you do feel like you need more privacy. There's some windows that we've added here, so that's something to keep in mind. But it really does feed into the amount of light you've gotten in here.
So as Cindy's saying, when you do come and meet with her, she will show you the different options, how this floor plan can lay out. And again, let's not pass right here. We've got a powder room.
Right, so you've got that great half bath on the first floor, so you don't have to worry about anybody's bath or shower being tidied up when your company's over.
Yes, I love that. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, yeah.
You only need the first floor cleaned, everyone, by
That's
the way.
right, exactly.
Because all the bedrooms are upstairs. And then this particular, that of course, they have employees back there, but.
Yes, that's going to be our garage. And this home actually has a 2-car garage, but it also has something very important. It has a golf cart garage as well.
I'm glad you mentioned a golf cart, Cindy, because Reflections at Seabrook, if everyone goes to explorenocatee.com, I want you to notice where Reflections is located and the new greenway trail that will be connecting you to the water parks and where all the events are held. So Reflections will actually be one of the closest neighborhoods to the amenity complex when that greenway is extended and opens up for you. So we're excited. This really is a walking, biking, golf cart community, which is living the lifestyle that Nocatee has wanted over the last 18 years. All right, we've come up, we're passing right now, we've done a secondary bedroom.
Yes, so upstairs we're going to have 4 bedrooms plus a loft area. And Carling is showing kind of our mirror image bedrooms there. They're both going to have walk-in closets, and they're going to have a shared bath off of the hall there.
And I love walk-in closets. I just
Yes,
want to reiterate,
walk-in closets.
walk-in closets.
And of course, with all the bedrooms upstairs, it's important to have your laundry close by. So we've got your laundry room upstairs, lots of room in there for folding, rinsing, washing, and natural light in there as well.
I love that laundry room.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, again, the design of these Riverside homes and the decorating, I just want to take it all. I buy this house and go, okay, I'm just going to buy everything that's in it because this is laid out perfectly. And of course, we're in the loft right here.
Right, so this gives you that secondary living space. So this is a great spot for game nights with the kids, or if they've got friends over, a place for them to be away from adult time. And you could have a TV up here, a lot of different options and ways this could be used. And if that's not the case, this could also be a great spot for a little home office nook. We've got so many people working from home as well, so this could also be set up that way.
Now this bedroom is terrific. We've got now a 3rd bedroom with its own bathroom, so a full bath. So like Cindy's saying, whether it is another child or you've got mother-in-law, you've got guests staying the night, whomever. So that's nice that you guys offered this.
Yes, and it's kind of tucked away off of the loft and a little more private. So they definitely would have privacy in that space, being kind of having their own bath and off of the beaten path here in the 2nd floor.
And as we've gone through this Liberty floor plan, one of the things I've also noticed, we've passed a few closets along the way, but there's ample storage. So I just want to let everyone know we're not opening up every door, but plenty of linen closets, storage closets, and even downstairs in the kitchen, I do want to let everyone know that was a walk-in pantry, and it was very large.
Yes.
Okay, this is the showstopper.
Isn't this beautiful? Just a stunning, spacious, well-lit primary suite here. You can see that's a huge king-size bed and oversized nightstands there. Tons of natural light coming in here. This is also going to have a very large walk-in closet as well.
And Carling, can you pivot real fast just to quickly show that? Because that really is a deep closet.
Mm-hmm. And then for the primary bathroom, you're going to see here, this is the deluxe bath option, which is going to include the shower and a separate tub. And of course, we're showing the freestanding tub that everybody loves.
Beautiful. And just look at the counter space.
Right.
You're definitely not worried about your partner in this space.
No, you're not bumping elbows with anybody in here.
There is no bumping elbows.
Everyone has their own space for sure.
Yes, I really definitely noticed that. And I mentioned earlier about just living the lifestyle of Nocatee. If you do go to Nocatee.com, also check out the lifestyle tab. See all the events that are held on this property. Check out the satellite pools. I just want to remind you, you don't have to have a pool in your backyard in any Nocatee neighborhood, but even Reflections, for example, because right down the road is Seabrook Park, an incredible new over 7,000 square foot pool, plus dog park, kids playground. So just know we've got everything just surrounding this beautiful community. And by the way, it's the 50th and final neighborhood being built here in Nocatee, award-winning Nocatee. So Cindy,
Yay.
this floor plan is going to sell quick. All of your Riverside homes will. Thank you guys for watching. And always, Cindy, Riverside Homes.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.